In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hyperlink in Confluence. If you've ever had a piece of text that's linked to the wrong place, or you simply don't want it to be clickable anymore, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to strip the link while keeping the text intact. First, log into your Confluence account. Make sure you're signed into the site or workspace where your content lives so you can access and adjust your pages. Once you're in, select the space and the specific page you want to work with. Spaces help organize your content, so choosing the right one will get you to the page faster. Head to the page that contains the hyperlink you want to remove. Give the page a moment to load, then scroll to the section where the linked text appears. If you're unsure which part is linked, look for visual cues like colored or underlined text, or hover your mouse over the text to see the destination preview that Confluence shows. Next, locate that hyperlink and click directly on the linked text. This selects the link and brings up a small context-sensitive toolbar. You'll see a few quick actions here. Look for the unlink icon, which typically looks like a broken chain or a chain with a slash through it. That's the button that removes the link while leaving your text exactly as it is. Click the unlink icon. The text will immediately switch from being a clickable link to plain text. The formatting should remain consistent with the surrounding content, and the link destination is removed. If you accidentally clicked the wrong link, simply undo the action right away using your editor's undo command. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the toolbar at first, make sure you've clicked on the linked text itself rather than just near it. Also, remember that unlinking does not delete the words, it only removes the hyperlink. That's especially helpful when you want to keep the phrasing but stop directing users elsewhere. If the link is part of a heading or a list, the process is exactly the same. Click the linked text, then hit the unlink icon. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, navigated to the right space and page, clicked on your hyperlink, and used the unlink icon to remove it. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching.